What's up guys, welcome to another video on my channel. Okay, so recently I got some question asking about how to insert video in Filmora. Actually that is for Filmora 10 and Filmora 13. The question from Sota.
This video is sponsored by Active Presenter, an all-in-one e-learning offline tool that helps you create tutorial videos, educational games, presentations, and interactive lessons for teaching and training purposes. It's a powerful and professional software that works seamlessly on both Windows and macOS. If you want to support the channel, I will put the download link in the description, and remember to apply my special discount code when checking out to save your money.
And Voyager. Yeah, I have no idea. By the way, there are some questions, so I think it's worth to make a video talking about how to insert your video in Filmora. Currently, I'm using Filmora 14, but it is the same in 13 and 12 and 11, okay? So I'll show you how to insert a video onto the timeline. For example, here I have an example project, and actually it is my previous video, okay? So first thing first, we have a background music here down on the timeline, and we have an A-roll here. And we have many things for the B-roll. So first up, if I want to insert or I want to drag and drop anything onto the timeline, so the first thing I need to do is to just drag and drop. So for example, if at this position I want to insert a video on top of my video like this is my video. If I want to insert something on top, then I just want to go back to my media, and then I can just drag and drop it and put it here. Okay, so something like this, and here we have a background video, and this is the overlay of the video. When it comes to recommending, so this overlay video will cover the background video. So this is the first action we normally do when we want to insert something, okay? By the way, sometimes when you have a long project like this or a finished project like this, and you want to edit your project, for example, at this position, you want to insert something, so you want to just split the video here. Okay, let's close the performance warning. So you want to split the video here at this section, and remember on the timeline we have two sections. First thing is the video section, meaning that you have many video track on top, and the bottom section with the audio section, so you have background music and sound effect and stuff like that. So when you split the video here, you need to split everything here if you want to insert something in between them, okay? So next up, you want to go to the footage that you want to insert, and then you want to click this button, add to project, or you can just right click here and you have a button here, insert. Okay, so it's the same, so it will be inserted in this position, and it will split the video section, meaning that everything in the video section. But sometimes it just split one track, I mean only this A-roll. So if so, you have to go to the reference of Filmora to change it. For example, you can go to File and select Preference here, Preferences, and then you want to go to Editing. So we have an insert mode here for the timeline edit. Whenever you insert something, it will split all the track, but there is another option here, so split a single track. So this is why sometimes it's just split a single track, not everything at the video section or the audio section, okay? So you want to split all track and then click apply. So this is just one solution to insert your video into the timeline or into your project. By the way, sometimes you want to split the project. For example, I want to split the project everything here at this position, including the video and the music here, and I want to select everything on the right or everything on the left. So to do that, we have an option in Filmora, okay? For example, now I split everything here, and you see here we have a split here, so split the video and split the audio here. And now what if I want to select everything on the right? So we have a button here. So we have a button here, so we have select all forward, and you know this is the timeline, and on the left is forward and on the right is backward. So you want to select everything on the right, you want to select all backward here, or you can press Shift A on your keyboard to select it, and now it has a arrow like this, so pointing to the right. So now you want to click here at this section on the right, okay? So now it select everything on the right. Here you see So it is everything on the right, including the music, a video, and overlay and stuff like that. And now you can click here to move everything on the right to the right. So you have empty space here. So just press V to go back to normal selection tool. Okay. So now you have empty space here, and you can drag and drop. I'm sorry, not this one, but this one, your video and another video here. So at this empty space, so you have more space to edit your project. Okay. So this is backward. Okay. On the right is backward. And now let's press Ctrl Z. So now what if I want to select everything on the left, meaning forward? Okay, so we can click here and select all forward, or you can press A on your keyboard. By the way, sometimes it will not work because we have some shortcut override it. Okay, so we can select it, and now we want to click here. It will select everything on the left. Okay, and you can do something like moving or grouping and stuff like that, so anything. Okay, and you want to go back to normal selection tool, you want to press V on your keyboard. So this is how you can insert something in Filmora, or you can just do something to fix your project. That's easy, right? So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know at the comment section below. And if you want to try Filmora, just go ahead to the link in the description. And don't forget to use my special discount coupon code to save your money. Okay, goodbye and see you again.